Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and beware of where you download the Windows 10 images. There is a campaign right now going on where almost every images for Windows 10 that come through torrents is infected with cryptocurrency malware. And it's a malware that actually is a hijacker in the extendable firmware interface, or the UEFI firmware of your PC, meaning that every time that you boot your PC, it's there and it starts. And of course, because it's there, it evades any detection. Once again, showing you how antivirus is useless against so many things. So, once again, it's because you do something that you should not do that you get these problems. I always say it, and we'll say it again. A up-to-date Windows PC, and when you get the images from Microsoft directly, don't have these problems. Problems is always when you try to get them from somewhere else. So it is through mostly torrents, but they have seen websites actually offering images of Windows 10. Unfortunately, today there's still a lot of people that do not realize that Microsoft gives the images for free on their website. We're not like in Windows 7 and previous versions of Windows where you could not get an image unless you found it somewhere. Windows 10 and Windows 11 have images available. A lot of people telling me, oh, there's no image for Windows 10. There is. Once again, to get it, you have to get and download the installation media. When you download this, run it, and then there you will have an option to download the image or ISO of Windows 10, and you'll get the latest image from May 2023, by the way. So I'll share the link to this once again. Stop going to download images from shady websites. You always get in trouble when that happens. That's the reason why I never share links of any shady places or places that even if I know that it's fine, it's still not something I will share. Why? Because there's only one place, for example, for this, and it's the Microsoft website. So you click to download the installation media here. When you run this, you will see you have options. One of them is to download the image or ISO, or even create a USB thumb drive. So don't go and download Windows 10 on torrents. Don't go and download Windows 10 on websites that you find by going to Google. You have a high risk of getting this UEFI cryptocurrency hijacker. And once that is there, it's very, very difficult to get out of it because it infects the UEFI partition, which is really the basics of your PC. So the link to the download page is in the description below. This is where you get Windows 10. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.